Hi guys, hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Janice. I know most of you guys don't know my name, but my name is Janice. It is spelled Janice. It is spelled Janice, but I pronounce it Janice. That was so random. Anyways, this is my 23rd week. Wait a minute. My 22nd and my 23rd update, pregnancy update. Sorry, pregnancy brain. There's nothing to report. There's no changes. I'm still having a lot of heartburn. I'm still not able to eat like a complete meal. Like I'll sit down and start to eat, and as soon as I start eating, I get full. So I can eat, but not like how I want to eat, which is great. I am still the same weight as before. Nothing has changed in that department. If you hear stuff or shadow in this video, it's my son. And I changed the background in which I sit. So, let's talk about baby. Baby is, she's still measuring, I think, a pound since my last update, since my last prenatal visit. She's still a pound. Nothing has changed in that department. I'm still having a lot of Braxton Hicks. I'm not worried about him. I'm not worried about them as long as they stay Braxton Hicks. I started having a little bit of cramping yesterday. Today is Friday, so yesterday. Oh, and my due date changed. So my due date went from being November 24th to now November 21st. So I turn over a week every Monday now instead of Friday. So I would be 23 weeks today, but I'm not. I will be 24 weeks on Monday. So yeah, this pregnancy is flying by so fast because after my 24th week appointment with my doctor, which is on the 9th of August, I will be discussing with him whether we will be signing the papers to tie my tubes when I get my C-section done. This is a scheduled C-section. Yeah, so. Hey, kitty. Shh. Come here, baby. Come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Here, let me do it.
No, she's under.
Living situation. We are staying where we are right now. We live in a 3-bedroom apartment. Our plans were for us to buy our home this year, but we kind of put that off because of the fact that we don't want to buy a townhouse in the county and the city in which we live in. Houses are not cheap. So my husband decided, well, we decided on the whole that we were going to stay put for another 2 years and save more money. And hopefully by that time his our income will go up in order for us to. Look who came to join us. Oh, she's so adorable. I love her. So by that time, my baby boy's down here. By that time, his income should be enough. So we're just gonna continue to save until we're able to get out of here in 2 years. And in that time, baby is going to be rooming with us. She's gonna share a closet with mommy and daddy.
Me too.
I'm gonna co-sleep with her until she's
Me too.
yes. I'm gonna co-sleep with her until she's 2 years of age, and then she will move into her sister's room. I'm gonna co-sleep with her until she is 2 years of age, and then she will move to her sister's room. So baby will be sleeping with us.
I didn't go to the bathroom.
Jackson is moving in with his sister. So that would be two kids to a room. So that will be 2 kids per room. So the twins will be still in their room, and then Jackson will be moving in with his sister. We bought a bunk bed. My husband has to put that bunk bed together, and Jackson will get the bottom bunk, and my daughter will be on top. And then once we move, Jackson will be moving in with the boys or getting his own room, depending on how big the rooms are in our house. And so yeah, that's the living situation, living arrangement that we have planned for our family of 5 kids. 7. Family of 7 with 5 children. Family of 8 now, because we have this little girl. Her name is Heaven Cutie Pie. But Destiny named her Cutie Pie, but her real name is Heaven. So yeah. So that's that. So there's not much to update on. It's gonna be a short week. Mommy's doing good, baby's doing good. That's all I can ever ask for. I mean, every night I go to bed, I pray and I ask her to never give up, and I will never give up on her. It's just a simple prayer, and then I pray over her, and then we go to bed. And it's just as simple, because there's so much that could go wrong in utero and out, and it's just, to give birth to a child is a miracle in itself, and for a baby to be inside of your uterus and your womb and your body, it's a miracle, because so many things can go wrong. So I'm constantly praying and asking God to take care of her while she's in there, and so she don't get herself in any trouble. So many things can go wrong. So I am thankful to get this far, which is 23 weeks. We have technically 16 more weeks to go, because I will deliver at 39 weeks. So we have 16 more weeks to go. So I'm praying that she hangs on, and I will continue to fight for her as long as she hang on. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will update you guys I figured now that I will do them every 2 weeks, because weekly is a bit much. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will show you the belly shot. Belly. This is the belly from the front. Something like that. This is belly from the side. It's big. Belly from the front.